guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very much exciting, at least for me. Why? Because today we are going to unbox the big book box. Now many of you know what is a big book box and many of you don't know what the thing is big book box. So those who are in the Bookstagram or those who are in the Instagram and follow the bookish community should have known the name of the big book box. It is a very well known and it is said that it is India's the biggest big book box actually. A book box is a box which contains some of well-known title or some of new releases and some merchandise related to the books. Let me tell you little information about this big book box. It is a monthly subscription book box and you will get 5 options when you go to their page to purchase a big book box. You will there see you can choose from 5 options. First is frappe, second is espresso, third is cappuccino, then mocha, then brief. So the frappe is the lowest price option and the brief is the highest. So there you will see all the information that in which category you will get what kind of books or how much books or how many merchandise. So in this big book box contains some of the new releases and some of the bookish merchandise. So without blabbering much, let's start the video. And don't worry at all, I will attach all the link of this of the big book box down below. So this is what you see when you open the box, and after that, wow, this is all the things you see when you open the box. Now I will put this box aside and will show you all the merchandise and the books one by one.
So you can see this is how the cappuccino variation of the big book box looks like. Now let's open it. Let me put it aside for you and I will show you all the elements one by one. So this is the theme card. The theme of the box is best kept secrets. And you can see all the elements of this box are all written in the back side of the card. So the first thing is this pen pal kit, and it is based on the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. Now let's open it. So you can see how pretty these envelopes are. Now see, beneath all of these envelopes there are some writing papers on which you can write letters. And they are beautiful, and you also can see all the stamps you can use, and they are also beautiful. I mean, I love the stamps. I love collecting stamps and they are really beautiful. So the next thing is these 2 bookmarks. They are pretty big and very beautiful. They are based on the books of this box. So let me put it aside. The next thing of this box is this beautiful book, and it is the slipcase of the book. The slipcase is very sturdy and very good. And now let's see the book. I am struggling here. Okay, now let's see the book. Okay, it is The Betrayal by Bridget Collins, and it is a pretty cover. It is a paperback, you can see. It is the back side of the book. Black is always a good color, and oh my god, this is very beautiful. You can see the sprayed edges. Also, let me flip through. You can see The Betrayal, the Bridget Collins. And now let's see the next book, Rebel Spy. It is also a beautiful book. It is a hardcover, you can see. It is the spine, and this is the back side of the book. How pretty color is this? And now let's see the naked hardcover. So this is a grey color, and you can see the spine. It is a pretty gorgeous book. And now let's see the inside. So here it is. You can see the labeling, Rebel Spy, and all the title. So let me put it aside now. The next thing is this War and Peace based trinket box. This is also a pretty sturdy box, and it is very beautiful. You can also see. Now let's open it. Wow, it's really beautiful. So here I got some library kit, my god. So this is a date stamp, and you can change the date by rotating the wheels. Wow, it is a very good thing. So, and we got some envelopes here also from the library of okay, and some library cards as well as. Wow, these are pretty beautiful. Okay, now very beautiful, very beautiful. So this is the trinket box. I'm quite impressed. So let me put it aside. So this is a literally mask, Bookaholic. You can see written. It is a sticker. You can peel it off if you want, and it is of good material, very good material it is. I am so feeling good. And the next thing is a book and a Sherlock Holmes themed bookend. Sorry, pardon my pronunciation. So this is a Sherlock Holmes theme bookend, and the next thing is, and the last thing of this box is this book, this beautiful book, The Mountains Sing. And oh my god, the cover is so gorgeous. This is the spine, you can see a beautiful blue color. This is the back side of the book, and the cover is so velvety, my god. And now let's see the naked hardcover. Oh, it is also a black book. I love black books. Wow, gold foiling. The spine, you can see. I'm very much impressed. Now let's see the inside. Oh, the author is also so gorgeous. So that's that. That is all the items of the box you have seen.
That's it. This is the all the things I got. I mean, you can see. Yeah, this is all the things I got in my big book box. This is my historical fiction big book box. I booked it on the October 25th of October, and here we are in the middle of March. In the end of March, it is. I am recording it on 30th March. So it is the end of March, and I finally got the box. Yes, when you book a big book box, you have to keep patience, and if you can't handle anxiety, then please do not order it, because really it gives anxiety. But as I said earlier, it's worth the wait. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Now I'm signing off. If you like this video, please, you know the drill, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it away with your friends and family, and spread the words all over the world. And please, please, please keep supporting, please subscribing to my channel. Bye bye, take care.